Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So igame elandelayo eBafana Bafana iyodlala against iZimbabwe okuyigame ezoyibaluleka kakhulu ngoba kuzobe kuyigame yama World Cup qualifiers. 2026 World Cup qualifiers lezo bile eAmerica, iseCanada naseMexico. Game soyidlala against iZimbabwe. iZimbabwe iyona ezobe ihostile le game, izobe ihostile eMos Mabhida. iBafana Bafana will be the away team but ke idlalwa la eSouth Africa. So lana ngizokhuluma ngelineup prediction yami. Nayi mina ilineup engayikhetha mase ngithola ithuba. Ungangitshela wena ngokwakho ithini lineup ongayikhetha mase uthola ithuba but ke le based on abadlali engibabonayo indlela abadlala ngakhona. Mhlambe ke wena ungangitshela ama comments ngokwakho ungakhetha ekanjani enjani. First and foremost ngizoqala nje goalkeeper. Goalkeeping position, even though bengingathanda kudlale bani kudlala uSipho Chain because siyamazi uSipho Chain bafethu kule insuku akadlali. Yabo akadlali wenza sure ukuthi umjida uyawashaya ama clean sheets. Currently uSipho Chain is the leading clean sheets guy okwaziyo lapha. He's the leading goalkeeper on ama clean sheets amaningi kwiBetway Premiership. But ke siyamazi bafethu Ronwen Williams is the number 1 goalkeeper weBafana Bafana, currently the captain, so I trust him to do wonders lapha eMu. I hope umjida uzokwazi ukuthi akhiphe ama clean sheets kulama games awu2 esowadlala. Shaya ama clean sheets kuphela singangenelwa igoli because siyawadinga ngempela ama clean sheets. Siyawadinga ngempela ama clean sheets. We can't be conceding ama goals angenasidingo. Siyawadinga futhi ama goal up front. So lineup le indlela engiyisethe yakhona i-defensive. Njengoba i-defensive and i-offensive at the same time. Angazi ungangitshela wena ngokwakho ungaqalisa bayibhali. Mase ukuthi ama center backs. Ama center backs, there were a lot of talks. Regarding the center back pairing. Yabo. But ke ngokwami, judging by the way these both players play, judging by the way uMbokazi edlala ngakhona kwiOrlando Pirates, judging by the way uKhoza edlala ngakhona kwiMamelodi Sundowns, I like to see i-pairing yabo labadlali bo2. Defensively uKhoza is one of the best, same as uMbokazi kwiBetway Premiership, the youngest best defenders esinawo kwiBetway Premiership. Ngifuna ukubabona bedlale ndawonye bangadlala kanjani. But ke I know Hugo Bros my start uSibisi, he might start uNdamane kuleya position, but ke angazi. But for me, i-center back pairing engasebenzela mhlawumbe kungabe uyena uKhoza benombokazi. But I think ukho uzoqala uSibisi. I think uSibisi nombokazi abazoqala. Yabo Hugo Bros yamthanda vele uSibisi. So I think leyo center back pairing izoqala ukuSibisi benombokazi. But ke for me, I'll choose these two to play. Usi lo mjida lo uKhoza ungidlalela njengoSiyema kwiOrlando Pirates. Yabo akatatazela uSiyema akenza izinto eziningi like he like to clean. Like uclean angazi ngachaza kanjani. Uyileli defender clean engashayi impethu ama tackles are reckless. I-defender nje elishaya elicabangayo. Mase siza kuMbokazi. uMbokazi same thing, but ke uMbokazi is more of a muscle guy. Ulo mjida umdingayo ku1 on 1 okwaziyo ukuthi alanda ibhola kusala indoda phansi. Mase ukuthi kuma wing backs. Kuma wing backs kule game esuyidlala ebaluleke kakhulu Umdawu ubuyile kwiposition yakhe. Mina wamjida ngamqalisa. Thaba ngimatuludi ngambeka ebenchini, ngiqalise bani? Ngiqalise Umdawu. iVuruvai bafethu ngayiqalisa kule game. Ungangitshela ke wena kuma comments ungaqalisa ba iVuruvai bafethu sayidinga. Iqiniso nje lihle sayidinga. Sidinga more manpower phambili, sidinga more attacking players abazo yaphambili basedela amandamas, basedela amabhola phambili. So ngamqalisa umjida as a right wing back. Mase ukuthi ka left ngiqalise bani? Ngiqalisa uModiba. Ngamqalisa bafethu uModiba. Currently I don't think there's a player ongakwazi ukuthi afithe lapha kwiposition yakhe uModiba. So umjida I trust him to do well against iZimbabwe bafethu. Now bafethu iZimbabwe akusiyona team elula, akusiyona team emele siyithathe kancane. So defensively I know we may look shaky, but these players they are one of the best in their clubs. They are one of the best in their clubs. Mbokazi, I don't need to speak a lot about Mbokazi. Khoza, yeah, for me I think uKhoza uyilo weak link nyana kule back four yami. But ke mase uyibhele ku back four wena ngokwakho ungayijaja kanjani? Awungitshela back four yakhe ingaba njani? Mase ukuthi eswini bafethu Tebogo Mokoena currently unama yellow cards amathathu. Njengoba ama yellow card amathathu, it's highly unlikely to see him play against iZimbabwe. Yabo, it's highly unlikely, but ke we'll never know. But lapha kulo number 6 position I'll start to Batusi Obas. Batusi Obas for me umjida he's more matured in that position. He knows how to control the game. He knows how to play that position. Sekwayidlala vele before for iBafana Bafana as number 6. Usekwathola vele game time kuMamelodi Sundowns as number 6. Umjida he's the perfect guy you can bring as number 6 uma engekho uTebogo Mokoena. Njengoba uTebogo Mokoena nje for me I don't think uzodlala, but ke ingamdlalisa uBathusi Obhasi. If you remember igame esayidlala, I think sasidlala nani, iyangikhohla le game le, but sasiyidlala bafethu siyidlala le New Peter Mokaba Stadium. Kwakhona bani Bathusi Obhasi mase kuba uMbatha esiswini, bawu2 babekwazi ukucontrola le yanto ngosikhathi engekho uTebogo Mokoena, babedlala bawu2 esiswini. So phambi kwakhe bafethu uBathusi Obhasi, mina ngokwami ngaqalisa bani Talent Mbatha with uSipho Mbuli. Talent Mbatha with uSipho Mbuli. The reason why I'm starting with Talent Mbatha, abantu abaningi mhlawumbe bangasho ukuthi why Ivano ngamqalisa Sithole bafethu, he has been on a long term injury, ade alimala bafethu Sithole, walimala early last year Sithole if I'm not mistaken, yabo I think phakathi nonyaka last year elimele umshida ade agcina ukudlala Bafana. So ukuba khona kwakhe yabo mhlawumbe ngakhombisa uBrastinyana, because le game le ibaleka kakhulu for Bafana, ibaleka kakhulu for Bafana. So we need players abajwayele ukuyithola igame time kuma team abo. Sidinga abadlali abajwayele ukudlala sesibabonile vele bedlala kwiBetway Premiership kule season abadlala kahle. I'm not saying uSithole akadlali because angazi ngimbone edlala just because udlala phesheya. uSithole is a good player, but currently we need these players proven. We need to see these proven players. Okumbatha benoSipho Mbuli, Sipho Mbuli benombatha kwiOrlando Pirates, they are playing ibhola elihle kakhulu. Mekhona bona eswini iOrlando Pirates iyakwazi ukuthi ibambe igame, iyakwazi ukuthi iattack offensively, bayakwazi ukuthi bawawina ama games mekhona le tool bawu2. So uMjito Sipho Mbuli ngamqalisa mina as number 10, mase kuthi uTalent Mbatha ngimqalise as number 8. So isona sisami ke lesi. Bathusi Obhasi as number 6, number 8 Mbatha, mase kuthi Sipho Mbuli. Ungangitshela wona ama comments so far injani lineup yaVani, ngabe iyaleka lapho nalapho noma kunjani. Mase ukuthi kuma wingers ke same story. I don't wanna go le kuma wingers, kufuna nje attacking offensive. Kumele senze show ukuthi siyaba attacka, kumele senze show ukuthi siyabanquma ngempela. Just banquma nje Mhawu for me, Mhawu uyadeserve kuyiqala le game le. Umjide he is playing very well for iL-Ettifaq le idlala le Saudi Arabia. The last time Umjide biziwe wascora ngosikhathi sidlala kuma World Cup qualifiers. So Umjide uyadeserve impela ukuthi ayiqale le game as i right winger. Mase uthi ka left angifuna ukuchaza kakhulu bafethu. Why ngizochaza kakhulu? Umjide uyaperforma medlala under Hugo Broos. Even Orlando Pirates une form enhle kakhulu Orlando Pirates currently. Umjide usuna Police. So I'll start usuna Police as a left winger, masukuthi as a right winger ngiqalise ba uMhawu. These players, they know what to do. So far ilineup yami ikanje. It's a mixture of Mamelodi Sundowns and a mixture of Orlando Pirates so far. These players bayazi ukuthi kumele basenzeleni, mase ukuthi istriker ke ngihlalile ngacabanga kakhulu ukuthi okay, uma sengidlalisa labadlali labo, ubani ongaba istriker, ubani ongasilethela amagoli phambili, yabo ubani nje umuntu ongakwazi ahlale lapha akwazi ukuhlupha idefense yeZimbabwe. Kabona man uthi no man, kumele simqalise uLyle Foster. Yabo kumele simqalise uLyle Foster. Why ngisho njalo? When you look at ama wingers, ngifaka ama wingers fast. Lama wingers fast akwazi ukufaka ibhola eboxini, akwazi ukuthi aphakele i-try. Abanawo umona bayakwazi ukuthi bafake ibhola eboxini, same as uMdawu, same as uMjida uModiba. Yabo bazokwazi ukukhophuka ba-add ama numbers phambili, ba-add ibhola phambili. So uLyle Foster I feel like uMjida uzokwazi ukuthi a-control, uzokwazi ukuthi ashaye amanqaku. I trust uLyle Foster ukuthi uzo-add leyo experience nyana anayo eqhamuka le kwi-Premier League. So iyona ke mina i-lineup prediction engayishama sengithola ithuba. Na ungangitshela ama comments ithini i-lineup yakho. I know i-lineup ngeyizibe nje uHugo Broos ngokwakhe angafaka okwakhe, but ke based on izinto ezenzakalayo behind the scenes, based on izinto esizibonayo bafethu indlela abadlala khona, we might see a possible lineup ekanje. Ungangitshela yakho kuma comments, ungayigxeke yami, ungasho ukuthi Vani lineup yakhe iyabheda, ithini yakho kuma comments. Ngiyabonga kakhulu bafethu for i-support eninginikeza yona. Ningakhohlwa lapha kuya ka-Instagram, kuVane Sports ka-Instagram, ufike usearch lapho uthi Vane Sports. Mengiyibonile ke i-follow yakho ngizokufollow back. Ngiyabonga futhi kakhulu for i-support